Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by crafting the rod. Put 3 copper ingots vertically on a crafting table. Once done, pick up a safe platform and blocks to reach a high spot. You want to craft immediately in place before the next storm, because the rod only matters when lightning occurs. Make sure you have fire-resistant gear or shelter nearby in case a strike spawns mobs. This initial step prepares you to both protect builds and harness lightning for redstone or mob mechanics. Now place the rod on the highest solid block of the area you want to protect. Height matters because lightning chooses elevated targets. Once positioned, check surrounding wooden roofs and crops. Make sure they fall within the rod's effective area so strikes land on the rod instead of your build. If you want automation, connect redstone dust or a comparator to capture the brief signal when lightning hits. Make sure wiring avoids mob paths and that the rod is unobstructed overhead for consistent attraction. Finally, put the rod into action during a thunderstorm. You'll see strikes hit the rod, preventing fires and producing a short redstone pulse you can use. Once done, monitor nearby taller blocks. Trees or towers can steal strikes. If that happens, raise your rod or remove obstructions to regain control. Make sure to wax copper if you prefer the original look. Waxing prevents oxidization but doesn't affect function. If automation fails, double-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.